Buenos días na todo. So, ese día biraya din yung mga anak ng school. So, primer día de la escuela. So, bire tamang kita ulit na diaton routine, no? Temprano despertar, se atud, and then lego tarde man pick up kanila na eskwela. So kabaya dila summer. So di mi mayor is para na 6th grade ya, and then el uno pre-K. So that's it. Kabed biretamente na normal routine for school year 2025-2026. So hopefully, you know, they have a great year in school. They're going back to school now. Summer is over. Here's Allison. Say hi, Allie.
Hi.
How do you feel going back to school?
I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
You don't want to go? Why? So tapos na yung summer nila. Balik na sila sa school. So pagkatapos ko i-drop si Ali, I'm gonna drop Alea. Amo pa lang yung drop off kun Allison. And Lego si Alea ese día kay primer día de eskwela. Man start day 11 pa. So siguro ara lang man start day 11. So ¿qué tal ustedes todo? Ya tarde yo no man, you know, chini man yung mga upload na video, pero you know, usually hindi tanto tan Chabacano. So bira kita ulit ng Chabacano. Man Chabacano kita ulit. So el summer, you know, bueno man tamin el summer, you know, ya pwede kami libang mga bata pa siya, you know, we went and na kami na Mexico for family vacation, and you know, first time kami yan camping, you know. So era ya mira ustedes de mi video de camping, hindi mga bien, you know, bien bueno de mi video de camping, but you know, share yo con ustedes the experience de amon first camping. So paboy lang mira el video, and no mo olvida man subscribe, likes or comment na di mi yung mga video na di mi yung channel. Welcome back to my channel. So sine tamin kita asya tut man pick up, and then anda na trabaho. Amos pimi di mio routine si Chenia eskwela mga bata. So alright, so Lego lang tamin kita ulit. Tabol biya na kasa para man ready kun Alea. And
Okay. Oh.
no, don't put it inside.
Yeah.
What? You gonna put it inside?
Yeah.
Say I'm going to school.
I'm going to school.
I'm Oh. Yay! Okay, let's go. Wait. Watch out. Okay, walk. Okay, get in the car.
Dito.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Good.
Put your glasses. There you go. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's go.
Come on.
Okay, go.
Bring the stuff.
Mommy, you got me my guy.
Yeah, yeah. Come on. Let's go.
Mañana kasi di la kuano camisa?
Di ba ito siya?
Ha?
Di ba ya?
Aquí kami ara na Costco. Na Costco, yan at grocery. Kaya mga grocery natra sa kabay kami mga grocery. So na Costco, ya compra yo de mio tent for camping. Pero hindi kami satisfied na tent because it's parang maliit yung tent para sa amin. So sinoli ko yung tent. And the only good thing about Costco, when you return something, no question asked, you can just return. So ni-return ko yung core na tent, camping tent. So ito ang pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nabili ko sa na-return. See, we're in Costco. So ito yung mga nabili namin. Dahil sa sinoli ko yung tent, ito yung nabili namin. So it's good. So bibili na lang ako ng bagong tent. I think I have to buy the bigger one kasi kulang ngayon core, even though it says for 10 person, pero parang maliit yung di kami makatayo ng diretso sa loob. So we'll see anong mabibili kong bagong tent. And here she is. We got wine. What kind of wine? Anong klaseng wine? Bartinura. Oh, 3?
Yeah.
Quanto uno?
11. Okay, Walmart.
Okay. Ara, kapan na kita Walmart? Okay. We go, we're in Walmart. So this is what we do after we pick them up from school. Lele is back there. We're just eating McDonald's in the car.
meal.
BTS meal? Yep. We're waiting for mommy. Mommy went to see a patient, so we're just waiting here. We went to McDonald's. She has this caramel frappe, and I can drink because this is for her. I want to drink some. Okay, dokie. What else you gonna do today? You gonna buy your school supplies? Huh? Okay, so the whole day we've been busy.
We're gonna go to Dick's.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to buy your knee brace. The whole day we've been, going to Costco, Walmart. Oh, I'm sorry. Then we went home and eat. Then came over, picked them up from school. And now we drop off mom here. Then we're waiting to pick her up, and then later we have to go buy
Hi.
school supplies. Say hi. How's school, Lele?
Good.
Good. And then I have work tomorrow. This is what happened when it's my weekend on Friday. We do a lot of stuff. We do everything because I'm working this weekend. All right. See you guys later.